Hey there, fellow food lovers. Get ready to dive into the heart of American home cooking. Our culinary landscape here in the States is a truly vibrant tapestry, bursting with flavor and tradition. It's a delicious story, woven with countless regional specialties and cherished family recipes passed down through generations. But at its very core, American cooking is all about those incredible homemade meals. These aren't just dishes. They're experiences designed to nourish both body and soul. They embody comfort, simplicity, and the enduring power of gathering around a table. Today, we're celebrating the iconic dishes that define American home cooking. We're not diving into specific recipes, but rather appreciating the essence of these beloved meals. So let's get cozy and explore the top 10 homemade meals that truly capture the spirit of America. These are the dishes that bring us together, one delicious bite at a time. First up, we have roast chicken. This is the quintessential Sunday supper, a true classic that signals warmth and togetherness. Imagine a whole chicken, seasoned perfectly and roasted to golden, crispy perfection. Its aroma alone evokes feelings of comfort and contentment, making it a symbol of family gatherings and shared meals. Next, let's talk about macaroni and cheese. This dish is a childhood favorite that effortlessly transcends generations, bringing smiles to everyone's faces. It's the ultimate comfort food, whether you prefer a creamy stovetop version or a bubbly baked casserole. Mac and cheese is incredibly versatile and adaptable to countless delicious variations. Coming in strong is meatloaf. This classic, budget-friendly dish has been a staple in American homes for ages. It typically features ground meat, often beef, combined with breadcrumbs, vegetables, and a medley of seasonings. It's a hearty and satisfying meal, frequently served alongside fluffy mashed potatoes and rich gravy. You can't talk about American home cooking without mentioning spaghetti and meatballs. This beloved Italian-American staple is a true crowd pleaser. Tender, flavorful meatballs simmered in a rich, savory tomato sauce, served over a generous bed of spaghetti. It's easy to make and endlessly customizable, perfect for any night of the week. Then there's chili. This hearty and incredibly flavorful stew is a go-to for many. It features ground meat, beans, tomatoes, and a wonderful blend of spices that warm you from the inside out. Chili is perfect for chilly evenings and is a versatile dish, easily adaptable to individual preferences and spice levels. Moving on to a fun favorite, we have tacos. This is a wonderfully versatile and interactive meal that everyone loves. Tacos allow for endless creativity, whether you're filling them with seasoned ground beef, flaky fish, or delicious vegetarian options. They make for a perfect customizable weeknight meal that's always a hit. Of course, pizza makes the list. While often ordered out, homemade pizza is a whole different experience. Making pizza at home gives you complete control over the crust, the sauce, and all your favorite toppings. It's also a fantastic and fun activity to share with family and friends, creating delicious memories. An all-American classic, burgers are a must-have. There's something so satisfying about a perfectly cooked burger. Whether you prefer them grilled, pan-fried, or baked, the simple pleasure of a juicy burger on a bun with all your favorite toppings is undeniable. It's a timeless meal that never disappoints. For those days when you need a hug in a bowl, there's chicken noodle soup. This comforting and restorative soup is a true lifesaver. Made with savory chicken broth, tender noodles, fresh vegetables, and shredded chicken, it's the ultimate remedy. It's perfect for a cold day, a bad day, or any day you need a little extra comfort. And finally, rounding out our top 10, we have pancakes or waffles. These are the perfect weekend breakfast or brunch treat. Whether you prefer fluffy pancakes or crispy waffles, they offer a sweet and satisfying way to start the day. Load them up with syrup, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream for pure bliss. These 10 meals truly represent the enduring appeal and heartwarming power of home cooking in America. They are more than just food, they are traditions. These are the dishes that have been passed down through generations, each one carrying stories and memories. They've been adapted to individual tastes, yet their core essence remains. Ultimately, these meals always bring people together around the table, fostering connection and joy. They are a testament to simple ingredients, heartfelt effort, and the incredible joy of sharing a meal with loved ones.